In a bid to encourage Wancho tribe of Arunachal Pradesh, the Assam Rifles has taken several initiatives to revive and preserve their unique ethnicity. In a collective effort, Wancho Literary Mission headed by linguist 𝗵𝗵𝗺 𝗺 and Assam Rifles organized a month-long pedagogic workshop for the young generation of Wangchos in Pongchau village of Longting district. The workshop was an endeavor to teach native language to over 100 young boys and girls of the district. Besides teaching the phonetics, the Wancho Literary Mission staff have prepared grammar content, an e-dictionary, compiled folk stories and folk songs in Wancho language, and penned down an exhaustive account of age-old Wancho traditions and culture for future generations.